Today was a very special day. Both Luciano and I got to test ride the GPZ 1000 that he built from three separate donor bikes. And I was skeptical how good the bike would be because I had seen it when we picked up two of the original three bikes that he made it from. But boy, when I saw it for the first time all in one piece running in his garage, I was convinced it was going to be a fun day. And it was. We got to do a really nice ride around Greenwood Lake. The only downside is some of the roads were really salty and slippery, but we both got to ride the bike, and we both agreed at the end of the day when we sat and had our little chit-chat, we both agreed that was an amazing restoration. Congratulations, Luciano. Today looks like it might even be the first day of spring. It's a beautiful day. We want to get out on the open road, of course. Maybe see if Luciano's around. Maybe stop for a visit. It's just a day I don't want to waste doing anything except getting out on the open road. Now, I've been taking rides all winter on the Black Ninja, and it's due for some tires and some other maintenance. But I just wanted to get out there with two Ninjas today. I thought that would be the most fun we could have. The two Ninjas. Boy, just a quick look at the sky. There is not a cloud in the sky. And we have been through a pretty rough winter, but today looks like it's going to warm up, maybe even into the 50s. Looks good, baby. Let's go riding. It's nice of a day to sit and look at motorcycles. Right, that looks great.
It's a heavy mama day.
It's a big mama, huh? You got all the Ducatis running?
Yeah.
All right. Got all the Ducatis running, all the Ninjas, all the Kawasaki's. And we're going to head out for a little ride. Just couldn't be any better than this. What a day. So the plan was to head up to Greenwood Lake, go around the lake, come back and stop by the reservoir and switch bikes and then take another lap or whatever. And the way it worked out, the day just could not have been nicer. So when I was riding behind you, there was no smoke at all. I didn't see anything other than the fact you were kicking salt up in my face for the whole ride. You were beating the hell out of me here.
Really?
Yeah, no smoke at all. It sounds nice. Obviously, it's pretty fast the way you were going down by the lake. It looks good, baby.
It has a very progressive power. You have to really wind it.
Yeah. It's like the GS, if I remember the other one you had.
Yeah.
Like the GS. But boy, it's nice. It's definitely nice. What were those two guys that pulled up to us? They were just riding by? Now we're going to switch bikes here. I'm going to get to test ride the bike.
They thought we had a problem.
Oh, okay. No, I thought they were going to stop, but it's okay.
Ask for money?
Yeah, for your money. All right, what do I have to know before I ride this?
The brakes, then...
They're not seated in yet?
The back brakes is no problem.
Okay.
You squeeze hard the brakes. Nothing else.
Okay. Time to ride.
Fine. It runs cool, there's no overheating, no nothing.
Well, nothing's going to overheat today.
It takes the gas very nice.
Beautiful. And it looks nice.
Yeah.
Now, it's always helpful to both Luciano and I to ride each other's bikes because he finds things that I might overlook. I find things he might overlook. He sets up his bike. I know exactly how he does it with a very loose throttle, and it's the way he sets his pegs and things up. I'm very used to jumping on his bike and just, even at track day, just taking off like a jet. So, this is the only thing, I know you set the bike with a lot of play in the throttle.
Yeah.
I like no play, but that doesn't matter, it's just personal.
That's a nice bike.
No, I know, but the clutch, the clutch would go like,
What,
maybe
right?
it needs to be bled.
No.
From a dead stop. Now, from a dead stop. Only from a dead stop, once you're going fine. Well, you try it and let me know.
What's wrong with the clutch?
No, when I let it go by the lake there, it's a hydraulic clutch. I'm used to the cable clutch.
It's a different feel.
Yeah, it's a different feel. It's just me. Just a different feel. That handle's nice. Plenty of power. Power like the GS.
Yeah, the power's
The power is just like the GS. Amazing. So we had a thing. We switched bikes. It was pretty neat. And the bike's plenty fast, boy.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
You'll have no trouble beating me up with this bike. Yeah, it really came out nice. Now, nobody would believe me, like at a bike meetup that you made this from 3 bikes. If they saw the 3 bikes, they would not believe it. I know it. They would never say it.
See the switch I got here?
Yeah, I saw it. What is that?
Because I replaced this with the brand new.
Oh, okay.
So this one has 2 prongs.
Right,
And
right.
this one has 3.
Oh.
So I thought maybe if I ride it back, something fun is gonna happen. And so I just need to push the switch. And that is fun. Not the
Oh,
I can
okay.
remove now.
Yeah. Ah, it looks good. It's funny looking through the red windshield. I like that. The instruments, when you're riding and the sun's hitting that red windshield, the instruments, everything turns red.
Yeah.
It's pretty funny. It's actually pretty cool.
Yeah.
When on the FZR, I always see the stuff turning blue from the light blue windshields. You did a good job, Luciano. Congratulations.
Yeah. It's a work in progress.
Yeah, but nobody would believe it if they saw the day we picked this up and put that on a trailer with the wheels not turning and animals living in the exhaust.
It was a freaking nightmare.
No, and now you got definitely a nice bike. So a really sweet day. I got to ride the GPZ 1000, what I call the evil triplet, a bike Luciano made from 3 bikes. It rides like a beautiful new bike. Amazing. The guy is amazing. I got to give him credit. Anyway, we are at, I hope, the beginning of a great riding season. And this is really the first group ride I've been on. I've been riding a lot through the winter, but this is the first time I've met up with anybody. And hopefully you enjoyed sharing this day with us. So now with the riding season, hopefully not that far away. It still was cold today. It still was chilly. But I know little by little we're going to be starting to get out on some group rides. And hopefully the weather's going to be a little bit better than it's been all winter. We have had a very funky winter that, I don't know how many cloudy, rainy days we've had and snowy days and whatever, but I know summer's coming soon. I hope it's coming soon where you ride and you'll be getting out on a bike just like we will. And once again, congratulations to Luciano. That bike, I think that whether he believes it or not, I think he did a great job. My hat's off to you. And thanks so much for watching.